Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Yankoi. Na yene Brashe bedwani a wogina ho ma subi mpasua so MPP dimu. Honorable Eugene Boachi Entry. Aseni adontena na mekoko nani a enye ne ya na sifri amekomu. Were Deputy Minister Works and Housing. Minister Boachi.
Wa me bro,
Boko na so
Oh, I mean, the chill for one more than one, one feel I'm chill.
Wobi aje oso na me ka sika na me ba bagie se enura ai enura me ko kumase hwe adwuma akwan ahodo ne niam ahodo a ekoso aha na ba ko me hunu ye no ohun se wo free plaza ba sane aba airport runabout wo mu gu asphalt wo ho wo ma gu half no ma gu half na ensuo bi no a eda maame adwo fodwo hotel no ho no sa bridge no ye ndai o ja kwa ko babu abumu ni ade yiri fa nkrofo
I'm the kind me chasa check for you bridge ho asem there roads and highways for you
oh we
west housing and bridge channel drains and shelter normally storm drain
ho na ka mo betimi atimu o enti na me busa no
say enu tina that was a we make aside na be na bia ma no so
I see na my friend wa no pay ya subi etisei hello honorable yeah mo be friend e dey amami okay 101.7 so ye akọ me mo acha no pay
mami meji osu o
e jaba na hene ba
ai mami em say aba ho
aba
kobrai
camera o se peja camera no aha kosua mi hu duku boda wo duku be fata pa
me mama ni nti ho
yes some manya me bo mama e boduku
na kwa me mama mo de ye dey
wo se
mo de ye dey
ye eda ho so tate oba bi o mu me bi oboduku a
on se kwa me mema mutimi adma e ma body eyi but ase ya enye big deal bebre sa wo bedroom o but ase outside no ya ho ye de dress ya
akosua de tie ne se sabi mu akosua kuma ne ade yi obi oba bia wo bi na in body bear na ade ni bom
yo afene mate na se engine no obi a wo bi na mom engine ne body bear mu ebo Mercedes mu anase ebo Range Rover
akono
ana ebo Toyota mu
ana ebo Toyota
ana ebo Tikom
tete walada
na se body ne ka asam
wani ne ka asam
ntinye se bia ye keke
ne sa de ne obi a obi
kwa mi afa ne wa kirem
unse de wo kodwom a utimi se body o body o
body we ye body
ho akono
no ampa wo de bo ampesi e be
koyi body we de ho agbanchi we de ho akono
etinye pe ne sa de ne nye pe
wo abeka se e pe ne me nchew akomi baba
ma de kwame
onamu yuji Boachi Entry asini adontina na bebe MP for subi misamo me mo achibiem
Sami me o sorry tikoi
ani
tikoi
nsuo no to a ayi mami musa se subi ekosei na ekosei nsuso a mampani na adan kwakufu ado be ma ba na dawroma eja wade ahweye ehwe nnwuma ne adansie so na be de akire maamo wo betia ndi sisi mo baaye munya minsa na san ayi kwa abutie omko ye town council meeting na wam se munya munkira santemanta mu de ne moye enti yesi ye fia homa no ne yesa ne fa firi so bi ne hwe bibi kakra
sometimes na kase opposition oduma e kasa oka unu bi emu akonta o so anopa de si utim bia no de kan kire timamufo no unu bi emu akonta wo aba mu a de obekase bia de obeka bia you are held accountable the same kase maybe one because I'm assuming constituency for machine beginning I made that one. It to be no so now president by the deputy minister for housing. If you not be me no the kasa they make a people weigh it and either criticize it or encourage me to do more. Should be a normal the good why I'm going no do a should be. It's be mu dominance. The dia confirm what you want. Sugar lie one. Ebefa yi so ase edum. Ebefa Pantini town asem asafo. Dade so aba abokom apokwanta lobi to ne mankwenti akwame. Da bia do ko bia do akufuado ensa no ewo ho. Sabro no dio kwame. Unprecedented levels of development. Ewo ho. You didn't see that in the history of this country. You didn't see that in Shimu. So when the Kufuado Daya was so here, answer the Ghana, Kuyakesi one after. So I saw bar, the mayor not gonna photo one about ma Australia million back, America $6 million back, what the buyer made was there, 5.5 million. Jessica on a Kwame Abuai, and it's not even one of the three. I found a mere so some 3 funds at 9. About was coming to the MPs, and also within the support to the air input. My family, I don't know because the best make us to be inquired. The OB also should be there. They will quote him. They can come out here and I can't send to memoir. So be should be in thinking. Into their own nation here, no matter it'll be a catapult of the clan was. But the fact as something mine in us America. Let me say, no matter me, whether you me, deputy minister for Works and Housing, since on nominated the 12th of March and also the 12th of April. Kwame, the contract Works and Housing. In the last ever 3 the process housing what the projects Maku 58 now back something. Kwame 58. When the manage to Kwame my shooting was Ukumasi the Sud Mopa. City Bakery. And one twice as in the air. As well be as a professor doctor can come out of the new apostolic as well. A chapel, not that take a CB, a fellow monk, I mean, can get up. The kind of monk, and move to the Betiasi. No monk be the half army. Your woman betoy, the 2 Quaco tribal child and Ben Asudaho. Kufuado are buying the buyer. You take the second contract in my ward. I'm a mess. That's how the second piece was at the castle. That ya might do some pause. Ebe trust and force operational. Then should try to be a chiafa. Ako. There are 57 additional projects. What's the housing alone? Yeah, okay. Woman say, about where the council. Me say about me, I say we also to my MPs no. Any MMDCs no. Yes, sorry. Nema gana fuhi. Or any teacher in the swim. Nema gana fuhi. And no matter we are cracking. It could be quite a carry. The baby have a cousin. We're going to take the Sweden money. Where you what's the house is why they about Santimemo? 58 key projects. And many was able to work on one by one. The many in the history of this country, Western housing, near budget exceeding 50 million Ghana cedis that. The Kufuado were buying Kufuado Penso as president. 2018, on my 200 million Ghana cedis. This year, I said July was having 250 Ghana cedis. In the last 4 years alone, Kufuado has given Works and Housing in excess of 450 million Ghana cedis for drainage works. It means that is unprecedented in the history of this country. Go and check the records. Kwame, when I started the campaign, we were sorry then. As what I can say, obi a otia sorry dem and now team masalachi dem ha. Ah obi ka say, oyi ahwefo Kufuado aban ho no, no abreyame. Kwame, Ghana ni bi obi ka say, oyi ahwefo Kufuado aban ho no, Kwame no abreyame. If the Kwame, free SHC ba e any Tibeti. Kwame, oti we so obi nkobi a wo fasin ko wo asin nkobi na ko no obi nkobi a oyi re baby kobi. What's the Kwame? I'm not saying about the Kobe. When Kufuado has touched every home in this country, and I mean every home with a free senior high school. Kwame, Now, Dr. Koboy can say, the Murray Koboy, one of our brilliant MPs in Parliament, was say, Oko Presec, no man controlling Chelsea or Boano Abia throughout her life, the cooking utensils, Mamma Swako Toin, and some of you would mean a quack of Presec. And no Koboy Abidi Petit Two or Maymoa, they are the Deputy Minister for Wealth. In a quality, so 1 year choir Massa Presec walk, and what the constituency is going to be a core poor, maybe a Koboy, and Ghana, and Kaya Hadi. Was such a brilliant young man because of school fees. Kwame, there are so many of such situations in our country. And Kufuor has touched the lives of Ghanaians. Kwame, and then number one. There was something number two. Kwame, a dynasty, a mortar and bricks America. Kwame, share employment opportunities at a time. Kwame, we see Companoche, maternity block, papa, could a champion and baby grow. As Mother saying, I never can see you. Could a champion start change hospital in 1974? Kwame, a typical case of an abandoned project. I failed to put what buying. Under Parliament, after Jibosia, 138,500,000 euros. Kwame, time contractor for almost as a contractor, but almost as a contractor, but any chapel. And let almost 800 bedroom facility, 800 bed facility. Sorry, a new to a new PDM panel with dear Kwame and make one Warsaw at the core. A form at the P. Associated. Kwame, if you need pie, better form more. That is my you read a diarrhea. We never form also my age. Kwame, they talk to you. Kwame, they talk to you. Kumasi Airport. Share Kwame. You they have the phone call I could hear Kumasi. Kwame, try to kill him. So the person which I'm on a bar. Never be shannon cry. Kwame, should be pa and nam quemua. Kwame, Ubiya can't question a share of Munka because when we show my doctor Trabuchi. And then, good for a pine. And then, airport, giddy to show a giddy. And then, Uga baby, and so. No, education Kumasi in China, then Union Kraya, Kwame, with Maba. But the 2 Boeing aircraft. Today, Kwame, we are going to process for every airport now. Airport, Kumasi International Airport will process between 800,000 to 1 million passengers a year. Kwame, ready for the form. Young 34 while Kwame, between 50 to 100,000 staff in the forms on the edge of Maho. On my best ship, no more there. You may report to you, Kwame. And things like that. Kwame. Kumasi Kwame, contractor for now, so we are doing almost a year, say, Pantini Tahono. You go share almost staff, almost only 1,000. Expected staff will pay 100. I'm not taking that Ghana for 4 more years.
On a way. My argument, I know me and say, one must be a monsieur, a school where I had dormitories, waha, a higher seaway, waha, I see, was it? School, no more by any what other. Ain't it?
Kwame, what friend me? And I'm going to one day, my shabby journey, the constituency. Put it a metri, the American, who have made me transfer among you.
Oh, yeah, ah, but I minimum power.
The 2 yellow, the who far as well the Mecca.
No credit.
A me a member of the Education Committee in Parliament, and I'm a standing committee. Kwame, you approve $1.5 billion US dollars. Billion on your million.
Hey!
$1 billion. If you can get time, and the work is scam. Kwame, you double track a banana chassis, and then double track a few because Kwame says, Kanama get fun as one day, with not picture building to see. Kwame, many can be shooting Tia Media. Ukwa will go on Sano, Minokasay. Ubakumasi Anglican, we will go on Sano, Minokasay. Uko, a armed forces, Udaba, we will go on Sano. Kwame, these are all projects initiated and constructed by the Kufuor administration. And this media on Siasim will make one Omra and one answer. Kwame, I'm going to say my Kwame, the Basia of Sungana pool. In the end, I'm sure. Kwame, I will brass here any deal crack and can't up for Cassa. Whether the man is your mobile fool. Say your mamma idea, make car, Kwame and come out official and take a double to empty so. What I say, saa so Kufuor so bibia obutimi sesren ka se Kufuor so bibia ye mo bi ka se Kufuor na ye kwame adwuma Kufuor do na pa erotu ko ka se na no o se wadwuma pa e do beko wame oba ware ase wame nkwa ade e do beko
ayi minister we dey mame recommend ye nyina ye ho airport no a ye sie no enye airport wa
Kwame,
oh wow.
Kwame, Petan, what a Petan. Now, the Kumasi weekend, be no baby in the friend. Yeah, I made a mama free ride. Kwame, subing one, subing one, every mistake. I'm on quite a school more. I'm on quite a school more.
I,
the mom kindergarten, ICT center, a facility toilet in Miluni as a son, you see, or Kwame, no, my year one, Kwame, the classroom block, Kwame, no, my year, every single school. Obi ebu amebaye na mo mo tire classroom block mi sigi daga ti amo mo otifa amoko DBC school in 1954 kwa me hu toilet that enkore wu ekujo na amko public toilet amko kwa me le sigi ayi nkore amko mo so dinta
okre
yes ele kwa me le me sigi ni na me no kase ele ko amko me go amko kwa nyina asphalt ko for obai na yesa yi ofuso amko ma kwa nyina yegu kwa me sa I'm going to be school na make one thing. When me who toilet that, Kufuor do peso. Ya mo 10 seater modern flush toilet with a mechanized borehole into. Kwame, me ma me ya ulu so ase edum. OTB 219.
Achempe mi no.
Edum me mo achempe mi mechi ma me fie ne challenge bush of na to aso no. Yo to na makmanu susu.
Achem efia na ofre.
What about like back when you see? Say no, pay no of the minor worry after. If you push what was your mark no and the mark no. It's not just you and woman mammy. 1941. Wame. First you know. Kwame. Me mammy could eat in January. Sa Kwame school in toilet that. The Kufuor was a pencil. Kwame, you see a modern fast toilet at home. Kwame, no way no more. We've been kind of Muhammad statue. Well, no way no more. A Kufuor $1 million equivalent per consulency, you know. A good year, says good year, some more winning. Kwame, as a facility town, a because a JHS, one of the points, I mean, for the crazy, all new school. Kwame, you buy shop for penny, Monsignor, a Gabriel, a champion. Okay, or something, you okay. Monsieur me da se nda pasunti e de working na be ye kwame emme e be ya structure for kwame ni na free Kufuor do $1 million no more e dia na se go bi kasa ya na esre me se we dey am conscious make mo ase mo we dey hear about unya no me kan wa ga tell say e na oboa na odi say sansi hu na se ya de koso Ghana ni am conscious progress amaye e na kwame ndi cho so ko ha we se be kan me body me se ko St. Peters me se ko could be war. We must establish a war. We stand back here. I.
My men said ye. Sakwan, out to me, Rassel, Ali and Dauda.
Kwame no Sakwan. Kwame, Sakwan, look at it. Corona Buja, ye, quiet, grace with your way, Kwano. When we went to 2 ye 2 of us wouldn't say a thing, electoral area. One of the edits would have moved by what to be. And South Carolina, because much over 20 years, which guy is our plan. What of man is our plan. Kwame, when I school be home, St. Augustine, Anglican school be at home. No cafe. The more a 10 seater toilet, you see classroom block, the series, commission for the another job. Kwame, would you a normal, I can say, should be as I said, that will be a Kwame. Almost. Kufuor on channel. If you wear a camera, you have propaganda. I mean, you're not beginning, and I make a tell say, and what my lady. So, the open say, as my make camera, and it's supposed to come there, or the bar, we went to make it.
Mate,
but come out actually.
Mate,
you do as much as a one way who for this year. I'm going to go for this, Mamma, you know,
Mate,
I'm not
Matthias,
yes, I find the cat, no more, and I one. When I saw one, you can't through your party, no. Ucho chantu ma uncho ye party chantu ye basse ye say ade ye Ghana for ye toma Ghana for 2 cities ye toma Ghana for 10 cities ye de aka eno wadu ma na ye mo de ade 2 cities na ba 10 cities o kana ma no wo de che nti mo tro go so ma chance na chere Kwame me se no ma Kufuor do wa ye o memu ha no Kwame Ebi si that.
Mate.
Ebi kwame aban me no be that me the mechanic sector and the consultancy. Kwame, no my ya no. Kwame no my look I say ya ko Busam 1.5 billion in the name of get fund. Parliament such as securitization loan. There is a Fadiama a Ghana Education Trust Fund. And then every supposed Muhammad here. Come on, make sure to pass away. Make sure the schools are saying so because we don't make you feel that. Kwame, and you get funded there.
Okay.
Yes.
Ana when you
go for yeah, no more be cat. Na I could do by every mass and Maya Kwame, show me who.
Okay.
Kwame, show me who. Said no more could for I was sentiment, maybe you see that. Let me say, didn't see that. But because was the kind, let me catch it out. Let me say, didn't see that. The beer, the beer, Kwame, me say, let's remember the decade. Let's what I say, yeah, bag, who want to see us over. We are near here, so every. Is it the Abba, Yana Kwame, 2, 1 year, Quenya? You have a strong mile. 80 years, son, 18, 9, you may have no can't say, really, really, so good, I will be say, go to the Choma. Shadow my account to home.
Okay.
Okay. The question is, we have a series of line crime, and that's a bit to meet the press. No, I can't almost say, that's not, you should be MP coming on the way. The problem should be home. There's one make an
Okay. Ana one ye meda se pa na masenya mpa de amount.
And that's not the man because
Oze.
we got that out of my bosom almost my depa.
Why you be pa? Meda se anopay.
You got a subio go.
Enka wonsu.
Obago.
Ah, kwasi akwa yo. Mate. Ako ona boso achia. Waso ajosu. Okay. Yo, Mate. Okay, 101.7 is so in Deputy Minister for Works and Housing. Na se bedwani a wogina ho masubi mpasua so Honorable Eugene Boache entry na yenene etwe nkomo. Okay, 101.7 so die.
Okay, FM 101.7.